So I came across this video online where a lady is adding sugar in the yam that she's cooking. Yes, and this is becoming a common practice in some parts of the world. But I am here to tell you that it is not a good idea. Yes, because yam is a healthy food, but when you now add it sugar, it becomes unhealthy. So here is why. Yam already contains a type of sugar called CHO, that is carbohydrates, which is a natural source of energy for our bodies. So when you now add extra sugar, we are now increasing the sugar content in that yam, which can now be bad for our health. And also, consuming high amounts of sugar has been linked to diseases like diabetes, obesity, and heart problems. Our bodies don't need extra sugar, and adding to our food can also lead to an imbalance of sugar in our system. So when we eat yam cooked with sugar, here is what happens. Number one, our blood sugar levels goes up really high that it can even make us fall sick. Number two, our bodies become inflamed. It swells up, which can lead to pain and other health problems. Number three is that the gut, the part of our body that digests foods, gets upset and it can make us feel uncomfortable. Number four is that you might feel slow and drained after eating it. So instead of using sugar, try cooking your yam with herbs and spice for flavor. You can also add your palm oil, coconut oil, olive oil for nutritious boost. You can add your vegetables like your green leafy vegetables, your carrots, your green beans, your bell pepper for added fiber and nutrients. Yes. So cooking yam with sugar may taste good, but it is not good for our bodies. Let's make healthier choices and enjoy yam in a way that it is good for us. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and advice. Bye. See you on the next one.